Hello and once again welcome to iMarinas. We are on our video 5 of our FPFF and FPFF refresher exit exam question. Till now we have completed till question number 167 and we will continue from question number 168. If you haven't watched our previous 4 videos, you can get the link in the description box below. Also, I've given a link to our iMarinas Telegram group in the description box below, where all of our seafarers community can come together and assist each other in clearing our exit exams or any problem we face regarding shipping. So now we will start with question number 168. How many firemen's outfit are required to be carried on tanker? So the correct answer is B, at least 4 sets. Question number 169. Firefighters should come back from the area. So the correct answer is C, upon hearing the warning sound from SCBA. Question number 170. Fire doors should be closed when the fire alarm sound. True. Question number 171. Color code of CO2 extinguisher is yellow. So the correct answer is B, false. Question number 172. Which dangerous condition? Question number 172. Which dangerous condition should be kept in mind after using a 15-pound CO2 extinguisher on a small oil fire on the engine room floor plate? So the correct answer is C, rekindling of fire. Here I don't understand why they are using pound, because if they are in Indian system they should use kg. Okay, so next. Question number 173. Fire is a process of combustion accompanied by the rapid release of heat and so the correct answer is A, light. Question number 174. The outlet at a fire hydrant may be positioned anywhere from horizontal to pointing. So the correct answer is C, vertically downward. Question number 175. After the fire has been extinguished, is it important to watch the site for reignition? Yes, true. Question number 176. How far away are you supposed to stand from a fire when using fire extinguisher? So the correct answer is B, 3 meter. Question number 177. Which of the listed class of fire would most likely to occur in engine room? So the correct answer is B, class B and C fire. Question number 178. You notice smoke coming from an open laundry room doorway. After activating the fire alarm, which of the following would you do first? So the correct answer is attempt to determine what is burning. Question number 179. The spreading of fire is due to heat transfer by, so it's all. So D, all of the above. Question number 180. Flammable liquid are stored in paint lockers, storerooms containing flammable liquid. So the correct answer is true. Question number 181. Of the four kind of fire extinguisher, which one would you use on class B fire? So the correct answer is class B fire is a liquid fire, so we will be using foam. Question number 182. How often should you test your smoke alarm? So the correct answer is A, every month. Question number 183. Inert gas used on a tanker to reduce oxygen level in a cargo tank to dash by volume. So the correct answer is D, 8% by volume. Question number 184. Low expansion foam system is suitable for fighting fire in. So the correct answer is C, deck of a ship. Usually we use on tanker. Question number 185. The fire main system should be flushed with fresh water whenever possible. 2. So the correct answer is prevent corrosion of valve stems. Question number 186. What does the color blue on a fire extinguisher indicate? So the color blue is for dry powder. Question number 187. There are two disadvantages of CO2 when used as a total flooding firefighting agent. One of them is extinguishing concentration will not support human life, and so the answer is A. Lack of cooling effect on heated material. Question number 188. Wood, plastic, paper are classified as or burning wood is which class of fire? Okay, the question can be anything. That's why I have written all as well. So the correct answer for this is class A fire. Question number 189. What type of portable fire extinguisher is best for putting out a class D fire? So for class D fire, the best extinguisher is dry chemical. Question number 190. Which type of portable fire extinguishers are designed for putting out electrical fire? So here the correct answer is D. Dry chemical and carbon dioxide. Question number 191. Designated exit must always be unlocked from both sides. So the correct answer is true. Question number 192. Fixed DCP system is charged by. So the correct answer is B. Nitrogen. Question number 193. What is the other name of flammable gas detector? So the correct answer is C. Explosimeter. Question number 194. Smothering is the method of firefighting by limitation of. So the correct answer is D. Air. Question number 195. What are the yearly checks for dry chemical powder system on tanker? So the correct answer is B. Inspect visually components, verify pressure regulator. Question number 196. Class B fire type is, so it's a liquid fire. Question number 197. Putting fire out by removing fuel is called inhibition. So the correct answer is false. Question number 198. What is the fourth component of fire tetrahedron? So it's B. Molecular chain reaction. Question number 199. When used to fight fire, carbon dioxide. So the correct answer is C. Is effective if used promptly on an oil fire. Question number 200. During transit of vessel, if chemical fire occurs, the vessel should. So the best thing what we do is we steer clear of other vessels. So it's C. Friends, before moving to question number 201, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. That's how we know exactly that you are liking the content, and it motivates us to keep on making more videos. So let's continue now with question number 201. What maneuver to be carried out in case of fire on board? So the correct answer is D. Reduce the speed. If possible, keep the fire zone on leeward side. Question number 202. If there has been a fire in a closed unventilated compartment, it may be unsafe to enter because of. So the correct answer is C. A lack of oxygen. Question number 203. What action should be taken immediately after fire has been extinguished? So the correct answer is A. They are liable to spontaneous combustion. Question number 204. Radiation can cause a fire to spread by. So the correct answer is D. The transfer of heat across an unobstructed space. Question number 205. You should be most concerned about a possible explosion or fire in fuel tank. So the correct answer is A. During fueling, when the fuel first strike the tank bottom. This is usually the time of bunkering, so all the crew members should be more alert at that time. Question number 206. fire extinguishing system required by propelling machines and diesel driven motor. So the correct answer is hypermast. Question number 207. What quantity of reserve fuel is to be available for diesel driven fire pump outside the main machinery spaces? So the correct answer is D. Sufficient amount for 15 hours operation at full capacity. So friends, we have finished till question number 207, and as planned, our fifth video is completing here. So thanks for watching and best of luck for your exit exams.